Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are sharing with you 20 Xhosa unisex names that begin with the letter O. Let's begin. Number 1. OTHANDWAYO. OTHANDWAYO, short form OTA. The name means one who is loved. Number 2. ONWABA. ONWABA. It means be happy. The next name is ONAKO. ONAKO, meaning one who is able. Number 4. OLILITHA. OLILITHA, meaning one who is a ray of the sun. The next name is OYISA. OYISA. It means the one who overcomes. Number 6. ONETHEMBA. ONETHEMBA. It means one who has hope. Number 8. OMINAM. OMINAM, meaning one who stands with me. Our next name is OTHIMNA. OTHIMNA. It means one who belongs to me. Number 9. Oyama. Oyama. It means lean on him. Number 10 on the list is Onothando. Onothando. It means one who is loving. Number 11 is Onenceba. Onenceba. It means one who is merciful. Olwethu is our next name. Olwethu means ours. Olwethu could also mean our. For example, our child, our love. The next name is Othalive. Othalive. The name means one who will hear the name of God. Owam is next. It means my child. Owam. The next one is Owenceba. Owenceba. It means child of mercy. Next on the list is OPHOLA. OPHOLA. It means one who will heal wounds. This next name means our child. Owethu. Owethu. Next up is Ogiyonke. Ogiyonke. The name means they will all rejoice. Our second last name for today is OZENOTHANDO. OZENOTHANDO. The name means one who comes with love. The last name for today is OMHLE. OMHLE. It means beautiful one.